look who's back. The RC Track, DJI's Phoenix that rose from the ashes. After supposedly being cancelled, it has returned in full force. Recent posts revealed dozens of high-resolution leaked photos, showing every detail from multiple angles, including its internal components. But isn't it odd that this compact controller has resurfaced right now, just a few months before the launch of DJI's next compact drone? I think that's a very intriguing coincidence, and I'm going to show you why there's a strong chance the RC Track will be launched together with the Mini 5 Pro. But after all, what exactly is the RC Track? It's an ultra-compact controller, with built-in GPS tracking, designed with just the essential commands to make flying a drone simple and intuitive. With it, the pilot can move around freely, whether in a car, motorcycle, bicycle, boat, even while running or walking, and the drone will follow without losing focus. Unlike the traditional active track system, which relies solely on visual tracking, the RC Track maintains constant radio communication with the drone, sending its exact real-time location. So even if the subject gets blocked by an obstacle, the drone will keep following, because it doesn't rely on visual contact to keep tracking the person holding the controller. It will always know their exact location in real time. But this isn't meant for just any drone. Even though it's theoretically compatible with drones that use O4 technology, they need to have next-gen positioning systems and advanced obstacle avoidance with AI processing and LiDAR sensors. That's because with the RC Track, the pilot only sends basic commands like takeoff, landing, altitude, and flight angle. Everything else, including dynamic navigation and obstacle avoidance, has to be handled autonomously by the drone itself, even in the most complex environments. Some of these drones don't even have collision sensors, and the ones that do aren't 100% reliable. The only models equipped with advanced LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance systems are the Air 3S, the Mavic 4, and soon, the Mini 5. The first leaks of the RC Track appeared back in October 2024, just before the launch of the Air 3S. All the rumors pointed to a joint release. In fact, the drone featured in those leaked RC Track photos was the Air 3S. But something went wrong. During final testing, a few drones crashed, and for safety reasons, DJI decided to postpone the launch of this compact controller. Earlier this year, new leaks surfaced suggesting that the RC Track would finally be released alongside the Mavic 4. According to DJI's own information, the obstacle detection and avoidance system on this drone would be 625% more efficient, with 66% fewer blind spots, compared to the Air 3S. In the presentation, they showcased a side-by-side comparison. On one side, the image captured by the Mavic 4 sensors, almost completely free of obstructions, and next to it, the same scene seen through the Air 3S sensors. You can clearly notice how the motors and propellers block a good portion of the view on the Air 3S. Even with all these technological improvements, the Mavic 4 also ran into problems, and some prototypes ended up crashing. We still don't know if they were being tested with the RC Track, but for some unknown reason, DJI once again decided to put the compact controller on hold, and focus solely on launching the new drone, which also had its own issues that delayed its release. To make up for it, DJI added some of the RC Track's tracking features to the new RC Pro 2. But let's be honest, that was just a consolation move, because it lost the main advantage of the RC Track, portability. So now, only the Mini 5 Pro remains as a truly compatible drone for the RC Track in terms of technical specs. And just when everyone had already written it off, dozens of photos suddenly pop up. These images are most likely from last year, probably submitted for FCC certification, but for some reason they only leaked now, coincidentally just a few months before the Mini 5's launch. That alone is enough to raise eyebrows. But when we analyze the full context, it becomes clear. They would be the perfect match, and here's why. The target audience for the Mini line is made up of users looking for lightweight, compact, portable, practical, and reasonably priced gear, and both the Mini 5 and the RC Track check all those boxes. It wouldn't make much sense to buy a high-end, large and expensive drone, like the Mavic 4, and control it with a tiny RC Track. You'd have to be very bold to do that. Most likely, the Mini 5 will come equipped with a powerful obstacle avoidance system, featuring 4 high-resolution wide-angle optical sensors, fisheye style, combined with a long-range LiDAR sensor. All that data will be processed by DJI's newest AI navigation tech, which should give the Mini 5 Pro the most advanced autonomous flight system ever, capable of operating in any lighting condition, and even without GPS. The Mini 5 Pro is a small drone, and that's yet another key advantage when flying through challenging environments. Its compact size makes it easier to navigate through tight spaces, covered areas, and narrow passages. All of these features make the Mini 5 Pro the ideal drone to track the RC Track with precision and safety, giving the pilot peace of mind to move freely during their activities, without worrying about the drone or framing the shot. As a result, you'll have cinematic footage to capture and share your adventures. As we can see, all the evidence points to full technical compatibility between the Mini 5 Pro and the RC Track. But now comes the real question, a strategic decision DJI will have to make. From a business standpoint, is it really worth launching a simplified controller like this, one that puts the entire flight responsibility on the drone itself? In this case, DJI would have to take on the risk of compensating users if the drones start crashing or falling. Or even worse, if the problem is more widespread, DJI might have to issue a recall to retrieve all the RC Track units sold. This was probably the dilemma DJI faced last year, when they tried to launch this controller alongside the Air 3S. But during the final tests, some drones likely crashed, showing that it would be wiser to conduct further testing before making this device available for sale. And the same thing probably happened with the Mavic 4. Because all the rumors pointed to this joint launch as a sure thing, since it would be the drone with the most impressive obstacle avoidance system ever made. And even so, something happened again and forced DJI to suspend this project. The truth is, the RC Track had already been officially shelved by DJI, but this latest photo leak has reignited the desire of those who still had some hope. And this moment has arrived, because if it is not launched now, together with the Mini 5 Pro, which is the most suitable drone for this controller, I believe this project will be permanently cancelled. So all that's left is to wait until September. If you liked this video, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.